What's up, guys? Today we are playing Monkey's Realm. Today, we're gonna probably do horror, next bots, or arcade. Well, I already finished all arcade, so, um, so, SpongeBob. Oh, brother. Oh. Okay, chat. This is where all the mods are. This is where all the mods are. Okay, here. This is slippery body, cheap body. What are these? Gravity flight, color switch, speed boost, third person camera, scale tool, no gravity. And these over here, uh, whatever that is, galaxy skin and deformer skin. Okay, over here we have, let's just skip. Okay, chat. Let's go back down. I think I might play next bot. No, I am not a furry. Mods. Wait, mods. Sleepy. What the? Happy, angry, scared, sad. Music. Hold on. Come on, chat. How much money do I have? Where's it? Holy moly! That is a lot of banana! No. Oh my god. 16,000? Guys, I could literally grab a... I can literally get a mod. Okay, let's test this out, chat. Will I get a lot of subscribers? Maybe? Maybe? Okay. I had 16,000, right, guys? I don't know. I don't know if I should buy these. No! Hold on, chat. I don't know what to get. Guess I might get speed boost. Dash? Guys, I might get speed, bro. I'm getting speed. Chat, I just got it. Okay, come on, chat. How much money do I have? Wait, what did I purchase? Chat, I literally have enough for everything. And I think I bought it. Okay. Guys, let's find it. Where is it? Oh, claim! Guys, I don't really tell if something changed. For me. Chat, I really want the lightsaber. Go back up. Okay. Okay, chat. Didn't I got it? No gravity. Chat, I'm gonna get the color, rainbow color scallops. What are you? Oh snap, chat. Okay, chat. Percent. New gravity. Where did I go to purchase? Where's the purchase? Chat, I actually might get those. Wait, what if I can get the J-Main Curly? Chat, did I just buy? Oh. If you comment down below how you can buy, because I haven't played this game for a long time. Here, guys, let's Agent lobby. Next bot.
2470. What can I get? What can I get for that much?
Huh?
I want mod,
Guys,
I want mod,
here.
I want mod, I want mod, I want mod. I can't get mod.
Oh heck no. I guess we're doing horror. We're doing.
Wow, what's up? Well, I'll be waiting for you in the next level. I'm already at the black screen part. Hello.
Oh heck! Oh chat. Dude, this is literally. Chat, I gotta go.
Help me.
Oh. Chat, let's try that again.
Better not let that slide. Let me go. Claustrophobia.
Come on, chat. Oh. Chat! I did it! Woo! No, there's more. Guys. Oh, bro. Oh, we're back, bro. I'm going back, chat.
Fancy banana. Oh, fun.
Guys, I'm gonna play the next one.
Really dumb. Oh, dang it. Monkey rounds, but I cannot touch the ground, and I have to. And my goal is to get to the secret book area.
Monkey rounds, and I can't touch the ground, but that's gonna be the easiest challenge ever. Cause like, look at me.
Okay, chat.
I'm
Should we
literally
just do
upside
only
down,
up?
so I can't touch.
I cannot.
Chat, I'm doing only up. I'm doing only up. Oh,
Sarah, 1 second. 1 second.
and guys, I'm scared of heights too. Okay, chat. I wonder if this goes infinite. Don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down. If this isn't bad. Oh! Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no, chat. Woo! No! Woo! Oh my god, bro.
I'm the real gorilla. I can actually do this. Yes.
Okay, chat.
No.
Yes, chat. Woo! Matt base. No, bro. Woo! No, chat. Guys, I'm really sweating. Whee! Okay. Smart.
I know I can't see my hands.
No.
Oh, and you fall and you can't.
Okay, chat. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Guys.
Ooh. Chat, we're starting here. Okay, let's. Guys, I think that's the end. Chat, right here. Here, right here. Here. Right here, right here. Here, right here, right here. No. It's my heart, bro. This is literally my heart. Oh, nah. Chat, I really want to get to the end right now, but I'm literally scared of heights. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. No. Oh. Ooh. Let's try that again, but this way. Oh, nah. Oh. Ah. Oh, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, heck no. Oh, no. 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 Oh, big box. Am I gonna do this? We have luck now, but still low chance. Oh, no. Chat, I don't like this part. Oh, guys, I'm sweating. Oh, no. Oh, okay, okay. Yes! Don't tell me. Chat, I did it. Well, I didn't really do it, but I did it. I did it. I did it, though. That might be to the end of the video. So, we're gonna leave. It's gonna be the end of the video. Okay. Chat, this is goodbye. And I'll see you. I'll see you in the next video.